Top of the morning to you, friends. I just got finished with my shower at Planet Fitness, and I already got gas this morning, so I'm going to head to Dutch Bros and get me a coffee. Here's my cup. I'm gonna just put my stuff in here so it'll stay hot longer. These Contigos, they'll keep your stuff hot 3-4 hours. I'm telling you, go ahead and do it. Coffee time. Oh, and then I'm driving like 182 miles today. So let's do it. They have a caramel pumpkin brulee, and that is going to be the drink of choice this morning. Their drinks are normally like super sweet, but today's drive, this is a little long. So I'm gonna get the sugar and the caffeine. I'll see if they can make it extra hot for me. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna get. It sounds really good. How pretty, right? We will have some road noise, but got a nice cool little breeze from this water, and this is just really pretty. It's unfortunate because the sun is on this side where I have the doors open, but at least I can have the doors open and not face the road. This is so pretty. I love it. Alrighty, so it is, let me see what time it is, 1:50. Y'all know I had my coffee, I had some water, but I did not eat breakfast or lunch. So, spaghetti provided by Mountain House is on the menu for lunch today. So I got my hot water going. This only requires 1 3/4 cup of hot water. So that is going to be my lunch, friends. So here's what the spaghetti and meat sauce looks like, just right with the package open. The freeze-dried package thingy was in there. You just remove that. But yeah, freeze-dried food, baby. All right, now I'm about to add this hot water. And I measured it out, so literally I can just pour this. Oh gosh, you already can smell it. You smell the garlic and the tomato sauce. Okay, make sure I get all that water. Okay, stir it up really. Ooh, gosh, that smells good. Okay, let's close this up. Alrighty, the first 5 minutes are up, so I'm just stirring it, and then I'm supposed to let it sit for another 4 minutes, but I like to let my stuff sit a little bit longer, so I'm gonna set my alarm for about 6 minutes, and then I'll be able to eat my spaghetti and meat sauce. Oh yeah. Alright, friends, honest review. This literally is a 10 out of 10. Like, I think it is so good. I didn't have to add any garlic, salt, pepper, salt, anything. I'm just literally missing, excuse me, some garlic bread. And so here's one of the drinks that I got yesterday from the not grocery store, that little gas station that I had went to. Yeah, so I am about to tear this up. It is like really good. So happy I have this bug net up because like these suckers are just everywhere and they loud too. Glad I could just flick them off because like ew. But look at that. I can't wait till the sun goes down a little bit more. It's gonna be so nice. How beautiful is that? So pretty. Just taking Jada on a walk out here. So there is a train over there. It has gone by twice now, but it's really muffled. I guess it'll be bad if they decide to blow their whistle. Other than that, I think it'll be fine. There's the expressway right above me. So it'll be easy to get back on the road tomorrow. I am going to get gas in the morning and pick up some fresh vegetables.
And diamond rings, I won't get caught in all that greed. So come and take a walk in peace. There's all the freedom you need. And go spread your love.
Hey, baby. It's windy?
For the people's greater needs. Take a walk in peace and hear what I'm saying now. The world is obsessed with material things. It's time to throw away your selfish needs. Let's let your words agree with how your actions speak. I'm here to talk, not trying to preach. So come and take a walk in peace. There's all the freedom you need. And go spread your love for the people's greater needs. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Don't let yourself get lost in all that greed. Oh, no.
It's so cold and windy out here. Real tears. It is so cold. I'm gonna go back to Dom. I just paid $2.30 to fill this up. This is 5 gallons. I'll be going off grid for a few days and just need more water. So yeah. Okie dokie, so I got vegetables, I got water. I just bought one of these for Dom. I've been getting like 10 to 11 miles per gallon. I have like 500 miles left before I need an oil change, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put one of these in to see if it can help. It's been, I don't know, about 6 months since I've done one of these things to Dom, so I'm gonna fill her up and then get on the road. We have like 2 hours of driving today, so that's not bad at all. Then I'll be at the spot for like 3 nights, so I'm excited. I'm sad. It looks like the weather has switched up on me, so I will not be going to that spot. It was a really nice spot right by the river. It would have been free to park there. So it looks like, you know, it's raining, kind of raining now. I don't like to drive in the rain, so I will be taking this slow. We will be going through the mountains. Drive is still looking like 2 hours and maybe like 20 something minutes, which that really doesn't mean anything in Dom. I should have seen how many miles I'll be driving, but I'll just be going to some random BLM land, stop, and then get back on the road to try and find a better spot so we can post up for a few days. I hope it's not going to be raining all through Wyoming, because that is just going to suck, because I'll be making it to Wyoming today. So yeah, bye.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken.